Yn rownd wythol a Cwpan merched Cymru, roedd Caerdydd yn croesawu'r Fenni a'r tîm cartraeth ar y blaen diolch i gicrydd arbennig Fion Price wedi chwarter awr. Dyblodd Caerdydd i mantais 2 funud yn ddiweddarach, y bas yn hyfryd gan Catherine Walsh a Daniel Brotes yn gorffen yn gelfydd. Cafodd yr adar gleision gico'r smotyn funuda'n ddiweddarach. Walsh yn creu unwaith eto wrth i Charlotte Hastings faclu Zoe Atkins yn y cwrt. Sa chi di roi eich morgais ar Walsh i sgorio ar smotyn, ond na, Hastings yn gwneud yn iawn am ei cham ac yn arbed yn gry. Ac aeth pethau o ddrwg i waith i'r Fenni wedi hanner awr. Croesiad Amy Williams yn twylla pawb ac yn darganfod cefn y rhwyd. 3-0 i Caerdydd. Roedd hi'n beter cyn yr egwyl i'r tîm cartra. Y capten Siobhan Walsh yn sgorio heibio Hastings y tro hyn. Daeth Phoebe Poole yn agos i sgorio ei 6ed gôl mewn 6 ymddangosiad, ond Hastings yn arbed yn ardderchog i gadw hi'n bedair gôl i ddim. Roedd angen i Hastings gamu'r adwy unwaith eto wedi'r egwyl, arbediad arall o safon i nadu Zoe Atkins y tro hwn. Roedd y glaw yn pistillio'n y brifddinas, ond doedd hynny ddim am rwystro'r adar gleision. Ergyd dda gan Phoebe Poole yn gwneud hi'n 5 gyda munud o'r 90 yn weddill. A gyda chicol ar gêm, roedd hi'n 6. Zoe Atkins yn coroni perfformiad safonol wrth i Caerdydd ymuno ac Abertawe, Met a Phontypridd yn y rownd gynderfynol.
We were all very much up for the game. We saw that in the warm-up. We were all zipping the ball around. And I think, we all just want to get to a final this year, so that is our main goal. And I think everyone just turned up today, I think.
We set out at the start of the season to challenge for silverware, and we knew it was going to be a tough game today. You know, historically we've always struggled against Abergavenny, and we said to the girls before the game, you need to play at a high intensity. You need to play to dominate the ball, to win every 50-50, to win your first and second balls. And if we do that, then we'll be in a good chance to win. And I thought first half especially, I thought we absolutely controlled the game from minute 1 to minute 45 and got our goals because of that. Second half, credit to Abergavenny. They came back into it. They're learning. Obviously, they're not used to. When you play at a different tier, you play at a different level of intensity, and it can be a challenge. But credit to them, they learned second half and they played some really good stuff, caused us some problems, and they'll take. I'm sure Craig, the manager, will take plenty of positives.
We said to them half time, you're 4-0 down, nothing to lose now. Just go out, bit of pride in the shirt, bit of pride for the club, and I thought we did that. Lacked creativity up top. We didn't really create anything, which is disappointing because it's one thing we've prided ourselves on this year. But overall, game of 2 halves for us. First 45 was poor. Second 45, I thought we were a lot better.